Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are good. Hope you're doing well. Hope you still so guys, please, if you're turning to this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And for my old subscribers, I say a very big thanks to you all. Thank you so much guys. I really appreciate every one of you here. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to insert thread into needle. So it's very easy to do. This tutorial is actually very simple tutorial, and it's very important. As a stylist, as a stylist, you need to know how to insert your thread into the needle. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy this tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section if you love the video and if the video is helpful. So guys, if you have your thread and you have your needle as well, so you fold the thread into two, as in, can you see? Then you insert it inside the needle. Sorry guys. So when you put it inside the needle, as you can see the way I'm putting it, you have to be very careful. So when you insert it, you draw it out, then you begin to draw it and make it equal. Please, as a beginner, don't make it too long so that the needle will not be tangled when you are using it. So you need to measure it a little bit longer, not over long, to find it very easy to use. As you can see the way I'm doing it. So when you make it equal, then you go ahead and you cut it out. So when you cut it out, you will now use your hand just to adjust it very well, just for you to make sure it's very equal and it's firm. Can you see the way I'm trying it? So guys, when you realize everything is equal, then you go ahead and create a knot. Can you see? You hold the tip and you wrap it with your index finger, then you create a knot. Can you see? Yeah, if you're using it to close hair, just the closure part, if you're not using closure hair, that you're using just normal weave-on to close the hair, you create the knot just tiny. But if you are using it to sew hair, just for a beginner, you need to make it bold so that it won't be pulling out together with the thread. Are you getting me guys? So when you are done with the knots, you realize the thread is into 4 pieces. Don't make it into 2 pieces. If you make it into 2 pieces, it will just be cutting off whenever you are using it to sew hair. So guys, when you're done, this is how you can secure it. This is the proper way that you can secure it, and it will not make the thread to tangle. So can you see? You just begin to wrap it. Don't make it too tight when you are wrapping it. Just make it very loose. Can you see? Now you remove it. And this is exactly what you are going to see. Can you see? It's very loose. It's not too tight. Don't make it too tight, because if you make it too tight, you find it difficult to use. By the time you are rolling it, everything will be tangled. So when it's very loose, as in, you find it very easier to use. And you go ahead and repeat the same thing to the, if you're having like 5 needles, so you do the same thing, you apply the same method, then you wrap it. So this technique is very easy for me, as in me, Queen and Nikki. It's very easy for me than me rolling it, putting the thread inside the needle, and I will now hang it inside the foam. I find this one very easier for me to use, and this is how it will look. So whenever you want to use it, you just go ahead and you pick it like this, then you begin to roll it. Can you see? It's very easy, and it's not tangled. Can you see? Then you go ahead and you begin to sew your hair. You use the same method. If you need to adjust your cloth, you use the same method. So guys, let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful. It's it's a short tutorial, and it's very easy to achieve. So guys, this is when we haven't put it, and this is the final. See you on my next tutorial. Bye bye.